Hi Aries, this is your channel messages for the 26th of October. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Aries, it is loud, but we have to continue the readings because homelessness is no joke, you understand? Anyways, we're going into your channel Love is Real love reading, okay Aries? So your channel song is Aries, tell me, how do I breathe? How do I breathe? Aries, this is what your love wants to say. I was so used to different being here. I was so used to this being. Life for me, it's not the same. There's no one to talk to. I don't know why I let it go so far. Starting over is so hard. Seems like everywhere I try to go, I keep thinking of you. I just had a wake-up call. Shoulda never let you fall. Baby, you're no one to blame at all. When I'm the one that pushed you away. Baby, if I knew you cared, you never went nowhere. And boy, you should have been right here. And now I wonder, how do I breathe without you here by my side? How do I sleep when your love brought me to the light? Where do I go when your heart's where I lay my head? If you're not with me, how do I breathe? How do I breathe? Things that, how do you breathe, Aries? How do you breathe knowing that the love of your life is right in front of you and you can't have the balls to accept it? Okay, Aries, I don't know how you feel. I don't know how you're breathing still. But what I do know is this is your Love is Real reading. So let us go ahead and go into it. The reading is not long, okay? You cannot see the cards, but you can see my face. So if you need to do it, okay? Anyways, let's go ahead. Now, first card up is, are you ready for love? So let's see what the first card says. Three of Pentacles. No, Three of Cups. So I'm getting you're not necessarily ready for love. You're more with the girls' night out. It's really a girl thing, okay? I'm getting you out partying with friends, or you more rather spend time alone. Now, if this has something to do with love, I'm getting lesbianism. I'm getting you like girls, you're around girls, beautiful women, and I'm getting you don't want to settle down. So I'm getting, even if you're in a same-sex relationship, I'm getting you want to do a polygamous type of same-sex relationship, okay? But otherwise, Aries, maybe that's why somebody's like, how do I breathe? I'm getting you're so nonchalant. You're out with your friends. You're probably not even dating. I'm getting it's all about you, time for yourself, just having a good time. It don't mean having a good time with male company. I think it's just enjoying the feminine energy, okay? So I'm getting you are sociable. Are you ready for love? Yes, but I feel like you kind of want to be distracted with friends and not love right now. How will you meet the person? We have the Five of Pentacles. I'm getting the person is going to be below their means. You're not going to meet them on a good foot. Somebody might be unemployed, homeless, unreliable, without a job, without a car, okay? We get to Aries, I don't know. Never you blood clot forget Ronaldino, girlfriend. He met her in as a sales representative in a clothing store. Remember that. No, she was employed. She did have a place. She wasn't homeless. But nevertheless, Ronaldino could have any girl. A girl who was an associate at a clothing store. Do not doubt yourselves, peoples. Okay. So I'm getting you to meet the person. I'm getting you to meet them when them down on them face. You're gonna meet them when them abandoned. Nobody's there for them. Them don't have any money. Them don't have any resources. Maybe I might even meet this person by dropping something in a cup for them. I'm getting you to meet one man. I'm getting the man not doing well. The man homeless right now, or the man on him face. Basically. Or I'm getting, if you are one girl and you meet one man and the man don't have his own place, the man are gonna ask if a pet sit for him. Do not do it. He want you pet sit for him and you can't even sit in his face yet. Fuck that shit, okay? I'm getting wherever you meet him, you're the one who is Me getting you doing well off more than him, okay? You might meet this person on a sidewalk or just, me getting on a whim you're gonna meet this person because the person not doing well right now. What's your lover's characteristics? The 8 of Wands. Me getting the characteristics you like is that because the person don't work or the person doesn't have life going on for themselves, they're always available for you. So what do you want? Me getting you always go, you always flashing with girls. You want to meet a guy who going to be there for you around the clock, but I'm getting he's homeless. He's broke. That's how broke people live. Me getting him broke, okay? I'm broke too, so don't judge, okay? Me getting the person always have time for you though. So maybe because somebody don't work, them can call you. Or them can, me getting somebody can spend a lot of time with you. So maybe you'll consider that. Cause me getting you have money, you don't want any other person's money, but you might want love and company. I kind of feel like this is kind of a thing where you want to boast on your friends that you have a boyfriend and you really don't care what a boyfriend do, you just want him to be loyal to you because you can cover everything else. So if you're okay with taking care of a man and you have money, it's okay. Me getting him, I'm gonna provide you with time. Him have time, he's homeless, he's jobless. He has time to attend to you. He's not going to call you and say, oh, I'm at work, I can't call you back. This is what I'm getting. I'm getting, you're not looking for money. You're not looking for rich nigga, anything, and that's your type. That's not what you're looking for. Yeah, look for somebody who can be there for you, be company for you. And I'm getting that maybe somebody who don't have an established career. I'm getting, you want time. You want them time a lot. Just like how you hang out with your friends, you want time for hang out with them. And I'm getting you can use somebody to your disposal. All right, what will the relationship teach you? The relationship is teaching about the magician. The relationship is teaching you that out of a relationship, you have to go into the relationship knowing what you want. So for example, you want somebody who is loyal to you and who love you. That is the way you say you want. You never say you want a working professional. You never say you want somebody who have a saved bank account. You never say you want somebody who is a UFC fighter. This is not what you ask for. You ask for somebody who will be there for you and I guess spend time with you and be loyal to you. Me getting that's what it's going to teach you. Whatever you ask for is what you're going to get. Anything where you want, you will get. In a life, in a debt. One split your debt, girl. Anything where you want, you will get. Me getting what you ask for is what you will get. So if you want somebody to show you loyalty or spend time with you, you can get a person that, but when it comes down to what they do for work, how the relationship they have with their kids, if they have kids or not, or I don't know, them aspirations might be different. So me getting you have everything you need for make a move. Now we cannot control what the other person going to do, right? But me getting the relationship will teach you that me getting you have everything you need except the love of your life. So maybe the relationship is teaching you for show a helping hand. Maybe the relationship is teaching you to be humble. Ugh. Maybe the relationship needs you to just be with this guy to see that all the flashy things that you're asking for in life is not what you want. You really want a humble, simple guy. You may not even have a lot. Maybe maybe the relationship is going to teach you how to teach a man to go back on the right track. Because I'm getting somebody lost them way. I'm getting, I don't know, I'm not saying you're a captain, saver. That's not what I'm saying you are, but what I am saying is that there's something about you that's very independent. And I feel like you might can guide somebody. Because I'm getting you have the formula to something. So you can share the formula, or I'm getting the relationship just going to teach you that. I'm getting the relationship is teaching you without money, the woman is in control. I'm getting the only thing will make man control in a relationship is money. Is providing for their mate. Is to be the breadwinner of the family. I'm getting you might have realized that when you have money, you don't need to listen to the man. No man can tell you where to do, where to go, who for. You're not papi show because you have money. I'm getting now you can be the breadwinner. You can give the man money. You can tell the man where to do, where to go, where to wear. Him a papi show. I'm getting with money you see that you have power. It's not about who love who. It's not about you saying I love you first. It's not about who is moving in whose apartment first. Me getting the one with the most money is the most comfortable. So me getting, maybe this is a teacher that you should stop make broke ass men manipulate you into love. And knowing that when you have your money, your mind can get exactly what you want. It may not be a value, but you still can get what you want. So what do you want? You want love or you want the money? Because I'm getting you all, you have it all already. Let me just draw one more of this and we will leave it here. We have Kundalini, again, sex, love. We have all expense paid. I'm seeing you're paying all the expenses. Maybe friends, maybe more. Maybe you don't want to be with them when you're homeless. You have them on layaway. You say, listen, I see a future with you, but you're homeless now. When you move into your apartment, I'm going to talk to you, I'm going to date you. Sweetie, when I move in my apartment, I'll be selling jealous. We have one way and we have witch doctor. Going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.